Wealth does not arrive randomly, and it does not come from wishing alone. Wealth moves through people, systems, and exchange. Every increase in income is the result of value flowing from one person to another. When you understand this, money becomes logical instead of emotional. Many people struggle with receiving because they do not clearly see the value they are offering. Others hesitate to charge because they associate money with pressure, manipulation, or guilt. This lesson dissolves that confusion. Wealth flows when you give more in use value than you take in cash value. Use value is the real benefit someone receives: clarity, skill, time saved, stress removed, problem solved, or opportunities created. Cash value is simply the amount exchanged. When use value exceeds cash value, people feel good paying, and wealth moves naturally. This is not exploitation, it is ethical exchange. You are not taking from anyone, you are participating in a system of contribution. Money is a response to usefulness. It does not reward effort alone, it rewards impact. This is why some people work extremely hard and remain stuck, while others create leverage by offering something that solves a meaningful problem. Wealth does not require perfection, it requires relevance. You do not need to serve everyone, you need to serve someone well. When you focus on delivering real value, selling stops feeling heavy. Pricing stops feeling awkward. Receiving stops feeling unsafe. This lesson reframes business, income, and contribution into one aligned process. When you give generously in value, you do not need to convince or chase. People recognize value instinctively. Wealth flows back through ordinary channels: conversation, recommendation, systems, and trust. This is why aligned wealth builders focus on usefulness first. When value leads, money follows. This is how wealth moves lawfully and sustainably.